Welcome to Qiggz. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through signing up and setting up your vendor profile. Let's get started. Download the Qiggz app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Open the app to access the login screen. On the login screen, tap Sign Up. Enter a valid email, choose a secure password, confirm it, and tap Create Account. Check your email for a verification link and click it to activate your account. Once verified, you'll see the app dashboard. Tap the vendor option in the top left corner to start setting up your profile. The Profile Setup Wizard offers 3 options. Generate using your website. Connect your site to auto-import details. Generate using our AI. Let Qiggz's AI build your profile from basic info. Manually fill your details. Enter details yourself for full control. Select your method and tap Continue. Enter your business title and location. Tap Get Current Location for autofill. Then tap Next. Add a brief description. List your work experience to showcase expertise. Select relevant skills from Qiggz categories to help clients find you. Indicate if you're licensed or insured. Upload work samples in images to make your profile stand out. Review your profile, then tap Submit. Your vendor profile is now live. You're all set. Explore Qiggz to connect with clients and grow your business. Thanks for watching.